Hey, check it out, a 2014 F-150, awesome move bumper on the front, factory wheels, brand new tires, like see the label, brand new tires. This is an FX-4 F-150. Looks like it's on a bit of a body lift kit, I think. Taking a look at it. It's got 92,700 miles on it. Pretty sure I know the history of this truck. Touchscreen without nav. And as we walk back, we're going to see it's a beautiful Oxford white with really nice graphics on it. This one even has the bed extenders and the tailgate step, which I don't know if you can see there. Working our way around here. Interior wise, again, you can see the quality of the seats, the dash, and everything is in excellent condition. There is nothing not to love about this rig. Backing up to film the rest of it on this side. There you go, a 2014 with decent miles on it and in excellent condition. Nice move bumper on the front. You'll love this trucker. My name isn't Nick Skiba at Snowy Mountain Motors. Oh, and it even has the EcoBoost engine. Awesome truck.